Next, we will discuss the Opera Logbook, which is accessed from the Miscellaneous menu by selecting Logbook. The logbook is an internal logging record that can have various uses depending on your property's needs. For example, it can be used to record general information and advisories to pass along between shifts, or it might be used to record reminders for a particular future date, or to create to-do items. Select New to add a new logbook entry. Next, select the department that the entry is for. The date defaults to today's business date and the time defaults to the time of the current entry. Update these as needed, but note that they cannot be previous than the current date and time. Enter the notes for this entry in the Details section and select OK when completed. The grid displays the department associated with the logbook entry, the log date, the time, and the details. You can use the Report button to preview or print a report containing the current logbook entries. Select Edit to modify an existing entry, or Delete to remove it permanently.